In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use cell linking in Smartsheet. Cell linking is a powerful way to bring information from one sheet into another and keep it updated automatically. This is especially useful when you're working with summary sheets, dashboards, or any kind of roll-up, where you don't want to manually retype the same data over and over. We'll start by working in what's called the destination sheet. This is simply the sheet where you want the data to appear. Go ahead and open that destination sheet first. It helps to have a clear idea of which column and row you want the linked data to live in, so take a moment to identify the exact cell where that information should go. Once your destination sheet is open, click directly on the cell you want to link. You should see the cell become active with a border around it. This is the cell that will display the data coming from another sheet. Make sure you're choosing a cell that's formatted in a way that makes sense for the data you're bringing in, like text, a number, a date, or a checkbox. After selecting the cell, right-click on it to open the context menu. From that menu, choose the option that says Link from Cell in Other Sheet. This tells Smartsheet that instead of typing something manually, you want this cell to pull its value from somewhere else. A new window will open, showing you a list of your available sheets. Here, you're going to choose the source sheet. The source sheet is where the original data lives. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to quickly find the sheet you need, then select it to open that sheet in the linking window. With the source sheet visible, click on the specific cell or range of cells that you want to pull into your destination sheet. Take your time here to make sure you're choosing exactly the right cell, especially if there are many similar rows or columns. You can usually select a single cell or multiple cells, depending on what you need. Once you've selected the cell or cells you want to link, look to the bottom right of the window and click Create Link. Smartsheet will now create a live connection between the source and destination cells. From this point on, when the data changes in the source sheet, your destination sheet will update automatically, keeping your information consistent and up to date.